Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will explore a special technique using shapes that instantly boost your design workflow. Start by selecting the Lisp tool and creating a smooth base circle. Duplicate that circle and rotate it slightly to build rhythm in your layout. Reduce opacity on one duplicate to create depth. Now switch to the direct selection tool and adjust anchor point carefully. This helps achieve a custom curved shape unique to your concept. Add a gradient overlay style to give it subtle lighting, then apply inner glow for a soft ambience. Duplicate the entire group of symmetrical balance, flip it horizontally to maintain equal spacing. Use the align panel to perfectly center everything. Add a soft shadow beneath